Hi, this is Elliot Wave Sage. I want to go ahead and do a market update. Like always, this is financial advice. Always do what's best for you. I want to do this morning because there's a lot of erratic price action that I believe will confuse a lot of traders. I still have our two waves being set here, uh, in here, and here. So as you can see, we hit that downtrend line and got rejected. So what's happening now could be just another 1-2 in two wave within this, where the real action comes next week. But I think for right now, the market, these rallies should fail. Now, if we do take these highs out, it just kind of changes the count slightly. We'll have to look at the RSI structure to see if it's meaningful or not. And then, of course, the IWM looks like it's in a 1-2-1-2 as in a zone. Yeah, so it's, I'm not going to make a call and say, oh, the bear case is invalidated if this high gets taken out, because we never really did get to our areas that I wanted to. We fell a little short here and here. Now the Nasdaq did hit a target. The next target is actually 382. Those targets that takes a pretty extreme pump. I don't believe we'll get there. We'll wait and see. I believe under this low that I have here, yesterday's intraday high, the market should continue lower there. Now, looking at the market in general, we're having some of the price action is pumping in the commodities today. Bitcoin could again be in this 1-2 and another 1-2. It really needs to come up into this area. And now that we have a connector for this move, this would be invalidated. And so taking out this high would be significant and could open us back up to 30,000 and a test of this top at 31.8. So pretty important level here. Gold is getting really excited, but again, it's just hitting downline trendline resistance, so be careful going long into resistance. But if it were to get through it, you could see it hit 1943 and get rejected in a brand new fresh connector, which would actually take it now to 1653. So this was unfortunately not good, even though it feels good in the short term. If we get rejected here, it will set us up for lower lows and a potential break of this October low. And I do believe this swing will fail. Then the bond market is what's driving these things. So we had a massive pump in rates. It was very close to our buy area in rates, and we pumped it. Now we're pulling back. And so the next target area for a bounce, we're almost there. We may have already hit it. So if you're FOMOing into gold and those other trades and the Nasdaq and the Dow, all those things pumping, that may be reversing at any moment. And here's your connector, and we get the connector here from that peak. So there's your A, B, and now you're in your connector in this area. It needs to take out this pivot to change the structure, which then would be more bullish for the market in gold and everything. The 10 year still has a little more downside to go. The 30-year looks like we were just a few hundredths of a percent from it. Again, could still drop. So what I'm trying to say is what is happening is just a retrace of this pump is supporting the market this morning, but we're about to hit a critical area that could create a bounce in rates in a wave 3. And if that happens, all that should reverse dramatically that we're seeing. Dollar could be in a 1-2-1-2. And again, vertical from our buy area. And we're at that trend line. It's trying to figure out, I believe it will come out of this. The alternative is an ABC. And we get a little more upside in the market here. So I need to get this video out. I felt to just let people know so they don't end up, being confused. This is how I see the market. I can be wrong. Do what's best for you, and go from there. And as you can see, gold is getting resistance. And right at the same point, the bond market is also at its support area for rates. it will be very interesting. I believe the bond market is not done. I would be surprised to see this take out. And then this could be something else. It would bring up much lower rates. So I don't know how the market will respond ultimately. It's just right now, this is kind of how to trade that situation. All right, guys, that's it. That's all I want to say. Good luck trading today.